pleasant good afternoon, everyone, to all candidates for grade 10 completers, faculty members to other schools. Good afternoon. Good afternoon also to Ma'am Risa, who initiated this career guidance, and we are lucky that we are invited in this career guidance for the orientation and expo. And you are also lucky because you will learn and listen to the opportunity that we are going to give you. Okay, so our school is Iligan Access Institute of Technology Incorporated. We are located at the third floor, Mercury Drive, Palao, Iligan City, fronting the newly constructed Palao Market. So, our school is registered and approved from the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority for 20 programs. So, you are lucky because you have so many TVL track to choose. If you choose to enroll in TVL track, you will earn not only one skill, but multiple skills. Multiple skills because you earn 2 to 3 programs in TVL track. For youths, GAS, and EBM, you have also additional free TVL track programs. So, for female, mga babae, pwede mo makahuman kung mo choose mo youths, GAS, and EBM. Pwede mo makahuman o duha pa ka TVL track. Like for example, bread and pastry, cookery, muna yung mahuman. And you are also priority to our TESDA scholarship. Kung hatagan ni o scholarship from TESDA, aside from the skills that we are going to give you in your curriculum, dungagan pagyud nato na para right after mo graduate mo sa senior high school, you are attracted for enrollment. So, ang among school are given you free of all. Libre ang atong tuition. Listen carefully so that dili mo malibog. When somebody talk here, please listen. Libre kanan, as I said. Libre ang inyong tuition, wala may top up, wala may monthly fees, wala may entrance exam. Libre pa yun ang inyong consumables. For male students, if you enroll to welding or electrical installation and maintenance, dili na mo magdala og welding rod, dili mo magdala og wire. Everything is free. Libre kanan sa among school. Ang inyong dalon lang yun is your pamiliti and your baon. Kay bagbalon man ta kay mapas mo ko ta kung watay paninudto. And that is for grade 11 and grade 12. So you are lucky because we are helping your parents that you graduated in senior high school for free. Walay bayad. Since our school was started, libre tanan. Katong nag-graduate sa amuang eskwelahan, wala sila gibayaran except sa ilahang transportation. Kay hasta ang inyong uniform, hasta ang inyong ID, libre. Walay bayad sa amuang eskwelahan. So, kung mukuha mo o, like for example, FBS, kay mo man na siya ang ganahan if you want to apply for a job in a cruise ship. Kung naamoy FBS, housekeeping, or cookery, so you are attractive to apply for a cruise ship. Kabalo ba mo sa cruise ship kung pila ang inyong sweldo? That is 250,000 a month. Wa pa na'y labot sa inyong madawat na tip. Nga naman, because most of the client in cruise ship is elite people. Elite meaning mga dato. Mga dato ang musakay din ha. Gamay man na ila itip ang 2,000, 5,000 kay mga dato man. Aside sa inyong salary nga madawat, kung daghan mo og skills, attractive mo for employment. So, as I said, you are attractive to the three exact point after graduation in senior high school. Di ba? After graduation sa senior high school, pwede mo mangita og trabaho. Why? Because you are attractive to apply for a job kay daghan man kung mahuman nga skills. Kung makahuman mo og welding 1 and 2, welding 1 is plate and welding 2 is pipe. Makahuman ka gid mo og EIM, electrical installation and maintenance. Di ba attractive mo for employment not only locally but also abroad? Kung maka-abroad mo, kay graduate mo og senior high school, daghan mo skills, dali mo madawat. E daghan mo, aside from that, priority pagid mo na mo nga dungagan ang inyong skills kung daghan may madawat nga scholarship program sa TESDA. Eh, for example, gusto ka magnegosyo na wala ka nakakuha bookkeeping, daghan mo na mo another scholarship sa bookkeeping. Kuya, ang ato na bang scholarship sa TESDA, if you have chances nga makakuha mo o ka na scholarship sa congressman or sa other, naaman na siya allowance. So naapagod mo yung allowance na ma-receive. As I said, you are priority to be our recipients sa buang TESDA scholarship program kay amo man mong mga estudyante. So I think you receive the flyers and also katong gamay na note, katong form, please fill it up. Kay this is priority, wala ni first come first serve basis. Kay kung madaghan na po kayo ang among mga estudyante, hindi na mo ma-accommodate, hindi na mo madawat. So, i-fill up na ninyo, and then put your cell number or telephone number, then give it to our staff or there is a table para ma-reserve na mo daan. Kay this is a series of career guidance, napaugma, morning, afternoon ugma, napag-yun sa Thursday. So, kung kamo dili mo makahatag dayon, so dili mo mahatagan ng reservation. And I think next year, the TVL track is integrated in the curriculum. So we are lucky, as I said, we are lucky sa among school because our school is the most numbered approved TESDA programs from TESDA. 20 kabuok, makapili mo kung unsa inyong gustong enrollan sa mga TVL track. Sa Gasums and ABM na apay pakapin na duha ka TVL track. For free, walay bayad, walay hasta module, kung apoy module, kay you have work, walay bayad. Ang inyong dalawang lagod for grade 11 and grade 12 issue transportation and balod. Kay naaman tay voucher from DepEd sa grade 11 na 20,000 and another voucher sa grade 12 na 20,000, a total of 40,000. Kana ra gid among gamiton. Wala na may wala ta nay bayad. Everything is free. Voucher lang among gamiton, wala na tanan. Mao na, that's our promise. Every time I talk here, not only today but for the previous years, we are true to our advocacy. Everything is free to our institution. Wala na bakak-bakak, libre yun. You can ask our graduates. And another one, we also integrated in your curriculum the SASI review. Kisa itong gusto mo eskwela MSU IIT after graduation sa high school. Okay, you are lucky again because the SASI review is for free. Libre ang SASI review. Most of our students graduated sa mga previous years, passed the exam in MSU IIT. Libre siya gihapon ang SASI review, walay bayad. So, asa pa ka mangita, tell your parents that this opportunity is good for you, not only to you, but also to your parents, kaya makatabang na mo sa inyong ginikanan. After graduation sa senior high school, kung pugihan mo nga tao, ha? After graduation, you have multiple skills. Pwede mo maka-find job in the morning. pwede mo ma-pursue sa inyong dream course in the evening. Pwede ba po mag-negosyo, kaya naman mo multiple skills. Kung nakahuman ka bread and pastry, kung nakahuman ka cookery, kung nakahuman ka og others, pwede ka maghimo o karinderya, magluto-luto ka while you are earning, you are also receiving your monthly salary, and you are also pursuing your dream course. That is your 3 exact points after graduation in senior high school. Di ba, gwapo? Insay dili ganahan na. Raise your hands. Gawa mo ganahin. Raise your hands kasi ganahan mo sa opportunity na ako misulti ninyo. Raise your hands. Okay, daghan na dahil nakasagot. Thank you very much. If you have questions, please raise your hands. I'm willing to answer your question. God bless us all and bye-bye.
Thank you. Okay, so far, I'm sorry I invited 11 schools, but busy ang mga big schools like medical, Adventist, St. Michael's, Capitol, marami na sila mga tinanong na sila activity. So far, naiwan sila nag-promise that they will be here tomorrow, or the next day. So kung naamang time, pwede naman po mamapit mo. Kung wala kang na kami nagsopan. But, dili mag-cutting class. Okay? Ha? Matukulit mo, mag-cutting class. Okay, dili lang ha. So pwede naman mo mamapit para mag-allow sa ilang booth tomorrow. No, kabalo kasi mga booth para tomorrow na school. Basta kayo dalawa na sila. So far, thank you. ICI, salamat. And we have STI, St. Lawrence, and iAccess for today. We will see you tomorrow for another 10 sections. And then for the third day, we have 11 sections which included the Open High School. Wala pa na ako na-invite ang ALS. Listen ko lang ang schedule. Okay, so karon, we will take a picture by apa mo energy? By section. Okay, after pag-take sa picture by section, pwede na dayon mo roam around, you ask your questions, ang makadecide na, you apply for ICI, St. Lawrence, iAccess, and STI. Okay, kasi una nga section niya po, may una mag-picture. Okay, mabini. Diri sa may card sa career guidance. So, pwede na yun na sa taas. Then na yun squat diri. Napoy sa ubos, napoy sa hagdan. Okay, faster. Para makauli mo og 3 o'clock. Okay, mabini.